Hi.
We're just vlogging. We're in the supermarket, so we don't know. Ella wants chicken nuggets, so we don't know to get the tempura or the original.
You guys decide. Just comment below.
Just comment down below, but I think we're gonna go for the tempura.
I'm vegan, so I don't eat chocolate, but
So tonight we're having a turnt trinity sleepover.
this is Charlize's mum. We're vlogging.
We're vlogging. Iced tea.
We're gonna go look for it.
Now we're gonna go get iced tea. There's a kid over there.
A story time we were just attacked by a baby.
I think the iced tea's in here. Here it is.
Yes! It's our best friend. I didn't even mean to say Kahoot.
So we're gonna get 2 of these iced teas because they're 2 for $6.
And-
3 for $6.
and-
3 for $6. Should we just get 3?
Yes. That's a fucking bargain.
Any 2 for 3, but any 3. So I'm gonna get 3 of these because like 1 for each person.
Yeah. We're just gonna glug it tonight.
But we don't drink alcohol or smoke pot.
Alcohol is for sinners.
We don't smoke pot.
Oh. Not in the mood to be bombed tonight. I've got the vlogging camera. It was $300 from JB Hi-Fi.
It's a Canon.
Yeah.
He want that
Run.
Oh my god, now we have to buy a new one. We don't eat off the ground.
Now we have to go back.
They're standing right in front of it.
No, it's just there. Okay. 1.5 voice. My mom's probably like, is Jack wearing my jumper?
Well, it's true.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, looks like it. Now we're gonna go find my mom. She's probably gonna say no to all these iced teas, but she can suck my dick. Like I really like to vlog. It's really fun.
We need to make our money somehow, okay?
There's a lot of moms in here.
It's just our environment, okay? See, when we're in Coles, the few times we actually step in there, it's just not our habitat.
Just tell her it's 3 for $6. I couldn't pass with a deal like that.
Well, this has nice lighting. She says threes are 3 for $2, 3 for $5. So tonight we're like hanging out with Ella Cable.
She's like a really good friend. You can find her makeup Instagram down in the description box below.
Yep.
It's Ella Rose Makeup, I think, with an X though.
And we'll put our personals there as well. She's a walking fossil, if you ask me. So
Let's
yeah,
go get Ella.
back to Ella.
Yeah.
We're hanging out. She's our third half.
Of the turnt trinity.
And we're going to McDonald's, the food court.
To go get her a feed.
Yep.
Because, you know,
Her definition of a feed is a frozen Coke, because that's all we can afford for her.
I might even get her a cheeseburger if she's lucky. Just get a large cheeseburger meal.
Oh my god, I just picked that out of my scalp. Do you get those?
Yeah.
Ew.
Beautiful.
It's been vlogging.
So we got her food.
Yum.
It's a cheeseburger and a large fry.
We were feeling generous, okay?
An old man just
Yeah,
did it.
he was just...
Please don't look at
It's
me.
just like our first attempt at vlogging and we don't want people staring at us.
We don't want people to judge us. Like, we're just trying to do what makes us happy, you know? We're gonna eat Ella's chips.
So we've been like attacked by Charlize's mum. She wants us to get... Are those from Rivers?
Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna go take you on a tour of
Big W.
Big Duck of Money.
So we're getting like electrician shit. Because we're gonna become toolies. Fly from...
I know, I wanna make that. This is how a bad bitch goes from McDonald's to Big W. You can't even spell Big W. We're having problems.
What's this? It looks like something from an aircraft. So, Charlize's phone died.
Unfortunately.
This
Ella's
is
frozen Coke went on a ride.
Ella. We want your fries. Don't be mad if I eat it.
More appliances.
Like we know where that
I
is.
don't fucking know where that is. You should have fucking showed me, cat.
Oh, do I want it?
Okay, so
I kind of do. But it's $24.
I actually can't find
I don't want to resort to stealing out of Big W again. Because I've already stolen a...
Again. Okay, let's fucking find this fucking
We've been in here for 20 minutes.
I might as well get two, eh?
Oh, do I want that wig though? It's $24.
Oh,
Yeah, probably not.
you need real African hair.
She knows what's up.
Real African. Oh, people keep staring. And I'm like, do you want me to flush my teeth? Like, fucking him.
On me. Release.
Look at who we have. It's alligator.
We just picked up Eller.
It's our third half.
It's like, let me get it on.
Yeah, I don't think it works.
Yeet. You can then.
We need a lighter. Light.
Hey
Okay, guys, we're back.
Hey.
We're a little different, as you can tell, because we're a little. We're sorry for this lighting, but it's all we can do. We're using Ella's phone. Thanks,
Look at my
bitch.
eye.
Oh, fucking hell.
Wait. Where are they?
Okay, so we'll see you guys around.
Look bald though. YOLO.
Hey guys, so it's like the next day. We survived last night.
That's what Jack's eating. I'm eating.
I'm just like demolishing it. So we're at Heart and Soul, which is like the known hippie like fucking restaurant like everyone goes to. And my favorite is the brekkie burger. I'm with Charlize and Ella, turnt Trinity. That just needed to come out. Oh. So today we're just like gonna shop for clothes because Lord knows I need them.
Jack's got like $1,000 and we've got nothing and we have jobs. Well, Emma had a job.
My dad gives me $10 a week. That's just my allowance. Oh my god, it's us in the shadows. So hi guys, we're on our way to Shopping World.
Ella just dropped out.
I piss myself.
Yeah.
But anyway, so what are we doing today, guys?
We're just gonna go into Shopping World and look hot.
First of all, honey, your arm's just falling off.
We're in Big W now.
Just take it.
The staff are eyeing us, just looking, just in case, because we're known convicts in here.
This is gonna be me. Finally get off the peel.
What the fuck are they?
Charlize, can you please put that bra on? Just like, put it on.
You look good.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, this is what we needed last night.
$5.
Guys, we're in the future. We found Charlize's daughter.
Ella, when she comes back, was it worth the steal?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good then. Where the fuck's her parents?
Don't think she has it.
My mum found a
It's the view from Charlize's house, guys. But the sad thing is, we're one person down. Charlize has fucked off to work. And Ella's over here. Can't zoom on in this camera. But, yeah, we're about to go home. Our 24-hour bender's, like, over.
So sad.
So, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!